This is an opportunity for those of you who are wanting to gain new experience in reading PET scans, as well as transitioning from SPEC to PET in a new laboratory. It's an opportunity to see 60 unique cases that will be geared towards learning and understanding the values of PET, some of the challenges in PET imaging interpretation for myocardial blood flow, for viability imaging, for inflammation imaging with sarcoid and other infectious diseases. International experts will be running the workshops, and there'll be also opportunities to learn how to perform the imaging and acquire the data and prepare the tracers for use in PET imaging. Please come to the PET workshop. It's going to be a great opportunity to interact and network with international leaders and learn how to do PET.